Hello people, welcome back to our Facebook channel. Today we are gonna draw a simple cute drawing starting with a swan. The swan has sparkling eyes, a cute feathers and a small span is accompanying it. They both are swimming on the water. The next drawing of the day we are gonna draw a bird. This bird is a parrot. We start drawing the parrot with its mouth and cover with the feathers. The feathers are very beautiful here and it's sitting on a branch of tree. The tree basically has many leaves as well. So we're gonna draw the detailing leaves and its tiny legs are sparkling eyes. The next drawing of the day we're gonna draw is a cat. By drawing the head of the cat, we're gonna start drawing the eyes, nose, a sparkling face, its ears and the body of the cat, and it is covered with fur as well, and a bow and tiny little tail. The next drawing of the day we are gonna concentrate here is a fish. With the help of number 3 we are gonna start drawing the body of the fish and its eyes, which is very beautiful, and a little mouth. The next drawing we are gonna draw is a cow. By drawing its nostrils, eyes, ears and horns and the body of the cow and a little tail. The body is basically covered with printed black marks as well, and the horns has a lining structure. The next thing we are gonna draw is a frog with the help of the number 2 and a mirroring number 2, and it has the eyes which is looking up first and 2 tiny little legs and 2 tiny little hands. The next drawing of the day we are gonna draw is 2 lovebirds with the help of the shape heart, which is pointing towards each other. They have very cute little mouth and eyes. They both are sitting on a branch of a tree, which also has a lining structure on their body as well. The next drawing we are gonna concentrate is cute cartoons character, which is pointing one of its finger to the opposite person and it is holding a candy on another finger. It has aggression look with open mouth and another ear we are gonna concentrate here. It's basically standing on a stool and the ears is covered with a pink color. The next thing we are gonna concentrate on this drawing a girl. By starting drawing her eyes, the eyes look very sparkling, a small little mouth, eyebrows, and to concentrate her hairs we are gonna draw braids. The hair is very long and beautiful, so we are gonna cover it with braids and draw the rest of her body and cover it with beautiful cloth and detailing as well. The next thing we are gonna draw is cute 2 cartoon characters which are facing up and down. Both have small little eyes, a nose and a mouth. They both are basically covered with brown shade, lighter brown shade on the upper cartoon side and darker brown shade on the down cartoon shade. Thank you for watching the video.